Cloudt Z. Dam is full sister to 1.55 m Zandor Z. Cloudt Z was bred from the internationally 135-140 level competing mare Zandor Z, who is the full sister to the 155 level performer Zandor Z, ridden by Jasmine Davis. Grand Dam Calvara Z has also foaled the 155 level show jumper Corona Z. This dam line has produced 150-160 level performers like Comedian, Clio Z, Garmex Z and Cello Z as well. Sire Cape Coral RBF Z has showcased his qualities in international classes up to 1.50 m level and is becoming an outstanding progenitor. His oldest offspring are already performing on 1.45 m level at the age of 8.